Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Hey, just thought I'd let you know a little secret. It's really not that much of a secret, but I'm working on mobile homes a lot that have been damaged by bad smells from animals. Cat pee, dog poop, kind of stuff that kind of gags you. When I deal with it, I deal with a product called OdoBan, and it does really well. And I think it's Home Depot that sells this. And probably other stores, but it's called OdoBan, not OdoBan, OdoBan, and it comes in a spray bottle. This you can water down. It makes 32 gallons. I think this is meant to be sprayed just like this. It works really well. It eliminates a lot of the eye burning and gagging that you go through with some bad smells that I've had to deal with. So I definitely recommend that product, OdoBan. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.